Hey everyone! If you find the modern ribbon interface distracting and want to go back to the classic toolbars, I've got you covered. Even though AutoCAD 2026 doesn't include classic mode by default, we can recreate it in seconds. Step 1. Show the menu bar. First, we need our top menus back. Look at the very top left of your screen at the Quick Access toolbar next to the Save icon. Click the small drop-down arrow at the end of that bar. Scroll down and select Show Menu Bar. You'll see the File, Edit, and View menus appear instantly. Step 2. Kill the ribbon. Now, let's clear up that screen real estate. Go to your command line, type Ribbon Close, and hit Enter. The big ribbon at the top will disappear, giving you a much cleaner workspace to build on. Step 3. Bring back the toolbars. Time to add your greatest hits. Go to the new Tools menu at the top. Select Toolbars, AutoCAD, and click Draw first. Once one toolbar is on screen, you can simply right-click any empty space on that toolbar to quickly toggle on others like Modify, Layers, and Properties. Drag them to the sides to dock them. Step 4. Save the workspace. AutoCAD won't remember this unless we tell it to. Look at the bottom right of the screen and click the gear icon, Workspace Switching. Select Save Current As. Name it Classic Mode and hit Save. Now if you switch back to the ribbon for a specific task, your classic setup is just one click away. Step 5. Set automatic saving. One last pro tip. Click that gear icon again and go to Workspace Settings. Make sure Automatically Save Workspace Changes is selected. This ensures that if you move a toolbar tomorrow, AutoCAD will remember its new home the next time you open the app. And just like that, you're back in your comfort zone and ready to draft. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.